Everyone wants to be productive, but nobody wants to put in the work. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. And today I wanted to talk about another Notion template that's kind of revolutionized the way I work. Um, Especially for a serial procrastinator like me. Like, I swear to God, I have so many things that I need to get done, but my favorite way of procrastinating is by writing it down and then just putting it away so that I don't even look at it and don't feel guilty about it. Um, I know that I need to keep track of all the projects and keep all the and get all the tasks done on time, but for some reason, uh, life of a serial procrastinator, right? No. Okay, I guess it's just me who's a serial procrastinator then. So this is the Notion template that I wanted to talk about. It is loosely linked to my project management system that I use to keep track of all my projects. But this one is kind of a dashboard, like a master dashboard, you could say, where it kind of brings in all the tasks that I need to do and have like an overview on everything that needs to get done today, everything that I need to work on tomorrow, this week, and have like a calendar view just to keep yourself motivated in one way, and also kind of to keep yourself in check, right? If it isn't on your mind, then it's just forgotten. So you can't just leave things to chance. And this Notion template kind of brings everything that you need to do into one single dashboard so that you have track of it and you know what you're going to be working on. So this has helped me out a ton, and I hope it helps you as well. And if you're interested in boosting your productivity and trying to follow through on your tasks, well, maybe you're not a serial procrastinator like me, but if you are, then I hope that this helps you. So stick around. Hey, and welcome back. And this is the overview template that I promised to show you all. I swear this one has been an absolute game changer for me, and I really hope that it helps you as well. So essentially what it is I have a tasks database wherein I put in all the tasks that I need to do and assign a project. If you haven't seen my project video, it's going to be linked, so just check that out. So you put in the tasks that you want to get done, assign a time, and assign which project it's linked to, maybe if you want, or otherwise just you can skip that part. This is quite important. Assign importance and urgency, and essentially what this does is gives you a priority matrix. So it kind of calculates if it's high and if it's urgent, it's something that you really need to be done, so it's on top of your list. And use this priority matrix to prioritize your workflow and kind of work on the tasks that are most important. And you can highlight a certain task, and that's based on my daily overview or today overview template. I'm gonna have a link to that video as well. But essentially once you fill this up from a day-to-day perspective, and also if you just wanna have an overview on what's happening, you don't really need to look into the database anymore. But this sheet it kind of essentially does everything that you need, and I like to call it the overview dashboard. And here we have a bunch of fake tasks just to show you all. Let's just maybe minimize all of this. Yeah, so this is how it is. Super simple, and everything comes in from the tasks database. And essentially every day, if you just want to see what tasks you need to get done today, you just look here and it shows you this is already filtered for today and before. That is, in case you missed out on some tasks from yesterday, then it's still gonna show up here, which is kind of good because you can finally get to it, right? Because well, you're lazy, I'm lazy. This is why we need tools like Notion to help us. And essentially all the tasks come here, and you can kind of look at the priority and yeah, get after it. So this is
your today overview. So essentially every day you can just look at the tasks that you need to get done, and once you have completed it, it just vanishes from here. And I think this is absolutely fantastic to know what you need to get done. And secondly, once you have your overview for today, I think it's also kind of important to see what you're going to do tomorrow. In case you have some tasks here that you kind of want to move from today to some other day, maybe you could just um, move a task to the next day. And it's I think it's absolutely important to have this dashboard because it helps you so easily to move your tasks around. It's almost like a bullet journal, where once you know that you can't get to a task, you just move it to the next day. And you have an overview already on, okay, what tasks am I looking at tomorrow? What do I need to get done tomorrow? And just be mentally prepared. Next, you also have, and once you're done with tomorrow, you have an overview on what's happening this week, which I think is cool. So, just to help you plan things better, I think that it's kind of super important to have this in mind. And once you're done with this, you have an overview, and this one shows you all the tasks. I actually like to have this with the calendar view, so you always know how the rest of the month is gonna look like. So I think this is a cool view to have. This essentially is, I'm just bringing in all the tasks from your task database, right? And finally, again, I'll link the video on how I manage projects using Notion. Essentially, this one gives you an overview on all these tasks that you're doing may be linked to a particular project, and so you know what the percentage is. And if you kind of feel like which one of these projects are important for you, and you know that those tasks are kind of important to get done, then you can go in, have a look at the projects database, and then look at those tasks and maybe change the priority so that you get to it, right? And I think this is a super nice view to have. It helps you a lot to keep track of all your projects and make sure that you're not really procrastinating on it. That's my biggest problem. I have so many things going on that sometimes some projects just never even get started. And hopefully that's not the case for you, but if it is, I hope that this template helps you. And this was a super quick overview. I'm gonna link the template below. I hope it helps you out, and if you have any questions, just write below, and subscribe for more. It's not just going to be about Notion, and I hope that this helps you. Cheers.